Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and in this video I'll be showing you my Android app project called the CUCampus Navigation App. It's designed to help students and visitors at Concordia University Chicago find their way around campus using the Google Maps integration. The app is completely built in Kotlin and it uses the Google Maps SDK and Directions API to draw walking routes between different buildings on the campus. So let's dive in. I'll start with an overview of what the app does, then we'll explore the code, the UI design, and finally I'll show you a demo on the emulator. Here's what the app does. When you open it, you'll see the entire Concordia University Chicago map centered on the campus. It highlights major campus locations like the Krantz Center, Brom Hall, University Library, the chapel, Koenig Community Center, and Concordia Stadium. You can simply tap on any of these buildings, and the app will draw a walking route from your current location to that building. It also shows that the walking time and distance right on the screen, kind of like a mini Google Maps experience, but customized for the campus. Some of the key features of this app are that the map automatically centers at Concordia's coordinates. You can interact with markers that have tooltips and descriptions. It draws actual walking routes using Google's Directions API. The info box at the bottom dynamically shows walking time and distance. And lastly, the map includes smooth zooming, compass, and gesture controls. In short, it's an interactive, responsive map that makes navigating the campus super easy. The app uses Kotlin as the main programming language and runs on Android SDK. The APIs used are the Google Maps SDK for displaying the map and the Directions API to draw walking routes between locations. For HTTP requests and data parsing, it uses the OKHTTP and JSON libraries, along with polyutil for decoding the route paths. The layout is written in XML, and the app requires basic permissions like internet access and find location. Now let's talk about the code, specifically the main activity.kt file. When the app starts, it first loads the Google map using support map fragrant and requests location permission. Then it defines coordinates for each of the main campus buildings and add markers for them with a title and description. Whenever you tap on one of these markers, a route is drawn from your location to that building using the Directions API. Whenever you tap on one of these markers, a route is drawn from your location to that building using the Directions API. The app also calculates walking distance and time, then displays it at the bottom. The fetch and draw route function sends a request to the Directions API, decodes the polyline data, and draws it using polyline options. To make it visually clean, it removes the previous route before drawing a new one. Overall, this file handles the app's interactivity and map behavior, everything from permissions to dynamic routing. Here's the layout setup. The main component is Fragment that loads the Google map, and below that is a linear layout, the info box that appears when you tap a marker. It displays walking time and distance dynamically. The layout also includes padding and spacing so that the zoom controls don't overlap the info box. This clean UI structure keeps everything readable even on smaller phone screens.
Now let's jump into the emulator to see how it works. When I open the app, you can see it automatically focuses on Concordia campus area. The red pin marks are the main buildings. Let's tap on the Bromer Hall. You'll see the blue walking route appear instantly, along with the walking time and distance at the bottom. Now, if I tap into Concordia Stadium or KCC, the route updates and shows a new walking path and distance. The zoom and gesture remain active, so you can easily move around or zoom out if you want to view the entire campus.
In the next version, I plan to add some new features like live GPS tracking so the route updates as you walk, indoor navigation for large buildings, and accessibility support with voice directions. I'm also considering adding an event layer so visitors can see what's happening around campus in real time. So that's my CUC Campus Navigation app, a simple but powerful project showing how you can integrate Google Maps and Directions API into Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.